Hi, I'm Stuart and welcome back to Living Your Best Life 101 with more simple tips for better health, wealth and happiness. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this super healthy fat burning smoothie, which is perfect for if you're trying to lose a bit of weight, but also really good for the health of your good gut bacteria. But before we go any further, please remember to take a couple of minutes to comment, like, share the video, as you'd be really helping me out. And if you're new here, consider subscribing and clicking on the bell to get notifications of new videos. So with that said, let's get to it. Cheers. Oh, aye. For this belting beetroot and berry smoothie, you will need 2 medium-sized beetroot, a large thumb-sized piece of fresh ginger that's been roughly chopped, half an avocado, a ripe banana, a cup of tea for its fat-burning properties, some frozen mixed berries, but of course you could use fresh ones, and a nice chunk of fresh aloe vera, if you're lucky enough to live in a country where it grows. But don't worry if you don't have access to fresh aloe vera. As you can see here, it is actually a bit fiddly and time consuming getting the gel from the inside and then putting it into a glass of water to get rid of the slime and the green stuff that often comes out when you cut the skin. But it is a highly recommended ingredient, especially if you want your smoothie to have the good gut bacteria benefits, which not only aid digestion but also give your immune system a boost as well. So for that reason, I highly recommend getting hold of some Forever Aloe Vera gel, which you can find on Amazon. The link's in the description box below. Now, this is obviously a much quicker and easier option, in which case you would just measure out 120 millilitres of your aloe gel and place it directly in with the other ingredients before the final blend. And with all that prepared, we can now start making the smoothie. As usual, I almost always start with a base of ingredients which consists of some natural unsalted mixed seeds, some nuts, in this case walnuts, some large rolled oats, and about 3/4 of a pint of water. So to the water we add 2 dessert spoons of each of the other ingredients and blend those together for about a minute. Then simply add the fresh ginger, avocado, banana, the beetroot and about 4 dessert spoons of your frozen mixed berries, and then our fresh aloe or aloe juice, depending on what you're using. Finally, it's in with the cup of tea, pop on the lid and blend for at least another minute. This recipe should make around a litre of smoothie, so you can have one for now and another one to put in the fridge or freezer for another day. And there it is, a super healthy and delicious beetroot and berry smoothie with aloe vera. It's great for your guts, packed with antioxidants, vitamins and minerals, not forgetting a fat burning boost to boot. Lovely. Leave me a comment below to tell me what you think of the flavour and how great you feel after drinking it. And remember to like and share the video if you've enjoyed it. But for now, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.